Hi people, and I'm back cooking again, and today I'm going to be doing a chicken, bacon and potato casserole. Right, as you can see, I've got the chicken already done. I'm going to slap some bacon on it. I don't know how many chicken pieces there is. I'm not really bothered counting them. I'm doing a casserole so everybody will get a piece. So I'll just put a bit more bacon on. I don't know how much bacon I'm putting on. It don't really matter. So that's that. I'm going to put one more piece on just to cover the chicken up. Oh, I've got two pieces stuck together. No, it's alright. Oh no, it's come away. That's it. So I'm going to put that piece over that piece of chicken. And then I'm going to wash my hands because I hate the feel of bacon on my hands. As you can see, I've got the bacon on. So now I did some potatoes earlier on. And I'm going to cover the bacon with the spud taters or potatoes or whatever you want me to call them. Might be best just tipping bloody lot out and sorting them round bacon. I'm going to say sorting round taters. Oh, it's been a bad week. Right, I think... Oh, I'm just going to tip the lot out. There we are. Can't be messing about with that. So it's not. Oh, shove that bit of bacon in and put that spuddy tater there, and that's more or less covered into it, isn't it? Put it near enough. Right, now I've got this mix. Looks like bloody drainage water. Look how herbs going in it. Oh shit, there's too much water. Right, get the bit more, little touch of water. Just to, I can't turn the bleeding tap on. Right. Right, so swirl that around a bit and put that in. So now I'm going to put that. I'm going to cover that, put it in the oven for about half an hour or so. Right, as you can see it's done. I'm going to take a piece of chicken out, piece of bacon out, there's some spuddy taters. Well, you've got some bacon there, Lee. And Lee's coming to do the taste test.
Right, bit of chicken, bit of bacon,
Is it nice?
That seasoning.
It's that packet, yeah.
That is gorgeous, that seasoning, I tell you. Yeah.
Really, you have to put a full tater in? Yeah.
You know what they say? Go big or go home. That's what they say.
Did they? I've never heard of that saying.
Lovely. Seasoning is gorgeous. Thumbs up.
Brilliant. Right, before I get going, I just want to say, if you are watching on any other channel, can you please unsubscribe from that and come to Kay's Cooking, Facebook and YouTube. So just come to Kay's Cooking. That's what you need to just nothing else, just Kay's Cooking. So if you like what you see, please keep viewing me. If you want to give me a big old thumbs up, be much appreciated. And if you want to leave a comment, I said comment. If you want to leave a comment, please feel free, the more the merrier. And if you haven't subscribed, or you know people who still hasn't subscribed, get them subscribing. Tell everybody, tell your friends, your family, your ancestors, anybody you want. Thank you, bye.